Hello, in this video we'll be talking about price glitches one more time. So I did already make a video on that topic, but we'll do it again. So yes, I think yesterday or at least today, we again had price glitches, or basically a bug. Okay, so meaning that on CoinMarketCap everything was displaying wrong data, and Bitcoin was being shown way lower, XRP was being shown very low, and all of it. Also Tether, so a stable coin, was shown at whatever 28% or something like that. And the only thing I want to say here is there is no magic or something like that in the background or whatever, a crash or whatever. It's basically a bug. Okay, there was a bug in the system, so meaning that CoinMarketCap, they had faulty code, so they did something wrong, or at least some of the code didn't work properly, or maybe they fetched data wrong and used it incorrectly or something like that, and that resulted in CoinMarketCap showing wrong data, and also Coinbase, which uses the CoinMarketCap data, so at least on the Coinbase overview site. So here, this one also fetches the CoinMarketCap data. So meaning that if it's, as you can see here it's still the thing with 21 euros, so it can change it to cents. But yeah, that was a power of 27,000. So here is the data even viewed still incorrectly. So if you compare those here, that's not the case here. They already removed the bug here, so they removed the bug also from the historical data. It hasn't gone below the price we have, so the price of whatever of the actual low. Okay, so we can still see it here. It's the same with Bitcoin. We can also click a Tether. So if we click a Tether, we can also see here that right. So the Tether suddenly was worth. Okay, here it is not showing. But let's check it for Bitcoin then. So probably they don't fetch data for Tether, but maybe for Bitcoin. And right here it's also for Bitcoin, but let's see one more time. We can see, for example, for Cardano. No, there is it also not for Cardano, so that is obviously a little bit strange, but still, I can't really paraphrase it other than, oh, right, so we can see it in the graph here as well. So how about Polkadot? Yeah, so you can see with Binance Coin, it's the same here. So with Binance Coin, it's the same, suddenly 227, so also like that, suddenly. So again, it's in the same range, and you can also check out the same for Polkadot right here. So here it's the same ratio. You can see here 17 euros to 3 euro 80 and whatever. So you can see that for many coins where the data is still incorrect here. So also for Solana. So there are many here, 31 euros to 13 euros. So like I said, this is just a software bug. Okay, so this is nothing. There's nothing crazy going on here. So you can see for most things here on Tether, VeChain, Tron, Kusama, and so on. So that's basically my main statement I want to make here. I also would like to highlight it. So I know this is just a core forum and it's not very representative, but anyways, the industry averages between 15 and 50 bucks per thousand lines of code. So meaning that I'm also working as a software engineer, and we tend to leave bugs in the code. Meaning that every now and then a bug will have to be fixed. And there's just a metric here that every 1,000 lines of code, a bug is, well, 10 to 15 bucks, 15 to 50 bucks are created. It's the same as here. On average, a developer creates 70 bucks per 1,000 lines of codes, 15 bucks per 1,000 lines of code find a way to the customers, and so on. So right, so that's what I just want to highlight here, that there are bugs. We just have to wait. We shouldn't like do wild theories on why that could be, and I don't know, connect everything. It's basically, this is just a, well, a software engineering problem that just some developers or whatever, some data feeds were incorrect, and that's why it was displayed incorrectly. And they tried to fix that, and they already did. As we can also see here, they already removed it entirely. So seeing it here on CoinMarketCap, for example, there is no low anymore. So seeing it on the daily chart, there is no low here. Alright, so that's it basically. So thank you for listening to this video, and see you in the next one.